Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve their goals effortlessly while others struggle? Is it just luck or is there a method to the madness? Let's dive into the importance of setting goals. Goals are like a compass, guiding us through life's unpredictable sea, providing direction and a path to follow. They are the stepping stones towards your dreams, giving your life a sense of purpose and fulfillment. But it's not just about reaching a destination, it's about the journey too. The process of setting and working towards your goals can be transformative. It can boost your self-confidence, fuel your motivation, and even reshape your perspective. Consider the psychological aspect. Every time you set a goal and achieve it, you're not just crossing off a task on your to-do list. You're proving to yourself that you can do what you set out to do. In essence, goal setting is a powerful tool that can bring about significant changes in your life both personally and professionally. Remember, setting goals is the first step to turning the invisible into the visible. Now that we understand why goal setting is essential, how exactly do we go about setting achievable goals? Well, let's break down the process into easy-to-follow steps. The most effective way to set goals is to use the SMART framework. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Starting with specific, your goal should be clear and precise. Instead of setting a goal like, I want to read more, make it specific. Say, I want to read 24 books this year. This way, you know exactly what you're aiming for. Next is measurable. A goal should have criteria for tracking progress. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. In our reading example, the number of books serves as a measure. You can track your progress by counting the number of books you've read. Then comes achievable. Your goal should be realistic and attainable, not something that's out of your reach. Let's say you've only read about 5 books last year. Jumping to a goal of reading 100 books this year might be a stretch. Make sure it's a challenge, but still possible. Relevant is the next part of the SMART framework. Your goal should matter to you and align with other relevant goals. If you're an aspiring writer, for example, reading more books is a relevant goal because it can improve your writing skills. Lastly, time-bound. Every goal needs a target date so that you have a deadline to focus on and something to work toward. This part of the SMART goal criteria helps to prevent everyday tasks from taking priority over your longer-term goals. In our example, you aim to read 24 books within the year. So let's revisit our initial vague goal. Now it's a SMART goal. I want to read 24 books this year. That's 2 books a month. It's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So make your goals SMART and turn those wishes into a reality. Setting goals is one thing, but how do we ensure that we actually achieve them? You see, the journey from the drawing board to the finish line is fraught with challenges, but fear not, for there are strategies to help you navigate this journey. Firstly, create an action plan. Think of it as a roadmap that will guide you from where you are now to where you want to be. This plan should outline the steps you need to take, the resources you'll need, and the timelines you'll adhere to. Secondly, track your progress. It's like a fitness tracker for your goals. It keeps you aware of how far you've come and how far you still have to go. It also helps you to adjust your plan and pace as needed. Thirdly, stay motivated. Motivation is the fuel that keeps your goal-achieving engine running. Surround yourself with positivity, celebrate small wins, and remind yourself of the why behind your goal. Lastly, be prepared to overcome obstacles. They are just tests of your resolve. They are not roadblocks, but stepping stones that lead you closer to your goal. And remember, it's okay to falter, but it's not okay to quit. Consistency and perseverance are the two silent warriors in the goal-achieving process. They don't demand attention, but their impact is undeniable. Be consistent in your efforts and persevere in the face of challenges. Your goal is not just a destination, it's the journey that molds you into a stronger, more resilient version of yourself. Achieving goals isn't always easy, but with the right strategies in place, it's definitely possible. So, gear up, put your game face on, and charge towards your goal. Your future self will thank you for it. Let's quickly summarize what we've learned today. We discovered the crucial role that goal setting plays in our lives. It provides direction and purpose, helping us to focus our efforts effectively. We also learned how to set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Finally, we delved into the strategies to achieve these goals, including commitment, perseverance, and adaptability. Remember, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So set your goals, make a plan, and watch as you turn your dreams into reality in 2024.